How to fix a stuck SIM tray on Samsung Galaxy S23, S24, S25 or the S26. Now there are a number of different things that you could try, but the first thing to try is to make sure that you are inserting the SIM pin into the correct hole. You can see in here there are different holes. One is for the microphone. The microphone hole is usually sit right next to your USB-C port. So try to insert the SIM pin into the hole that is on the SIM tray. Okay, that's the first thing. The second thing is when you push in the SIM pin, make sure you use a bit of force or pressure. So push it in like that. You can see it's not that easy. Sometimes you need to push it really hard all the way in, and the SIM tray will pops out, and then you can just pull it out. So if you worried and you're scared to break the SIM tray, sometimes you push it gently, it will not pops out. So just use a bit of force, push it all the way in like this, and it should pops out. Okay, that is another thing that you can try. If it still doesn't work, then what you can do is use the SIM pin and insert it at an angle like this. So you want to insert in at an angle, maybe at around say 45 degrees or 60 degrees, and push into an angle like this, and then you try to pry it out that way. So put in the SIM pin and then you try to pull it out. So at the same time bend it a little bit and then try to pull it out. Then you can see here, if I try to pull it out, it may cause the SIM pin to bend a little bit, but you can always bend it back. And here, because this part here is quite strong, so it's okay if you bend it a little bit, try to drag it out. So the idea is you want to bend it at an angle and then drag it out or pull it out like this. So you put the pin in and then you kind of bend it a little bit and then you drag it out. So that is another thing that you can try. So why does the SIM tray get stuck in the first place? Now common causes include dust or debris inside the slot in here. A bent SIM tray can also cause a problem. SIM card misalignment. Sometimes if you don't align the SIM card, or if you cut out the SIM card yourself, sometimes it might not fit the tray properly, and when you pull it out, the SIM tray pops up a little bit and it causes it to stuck against the edge of the inner slot in here, and that may cause the SIM tray to get stuck when you try to eject it. Another thing is the internal spring is sticking or stuck. So when you push the SIM pin in, you can see that the SIM tray will pops out. There is a spring inside, so the internal eject springs may be sticky or faulty. And another thing is pushing the eject tool at an angle too many times. So if you do that too many times, or if you push in the pin like this too many times, sometimes it can cause damage. So only do it when the SIM tray is stuck and you try everything else, and if it does not work, then try to insert the SIM pin at an angle, but don't do it all the time because that may cause your SIM tray to misalign or damage. So those are the reasons why you may have a stuck SIM tray on your Samsung phone. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.